finally got a snow day. We're gonna try out the new tow rope. I need to get a pick tool a minute. The starter button froze, so we'll see if this works a minute. All right, you ready? I think I lost my gloves.
They're inside.
All right. All right, hang on to those. Whoa, Axel. Okay. Let me see those pick tools a minute. You got the film?
Yep.
Hang it. Like a champ. All right, you got it going?
It's been going
What?
for the last 3 minutes.
Check this out. You gonna get close up? All right, the one and only Honda tow rope. Let's go. You getting your board or what?
I didn't say I was size this first.
Alright, I might need some gloves though. Alright. Give it more gas. Alright, you gotta grab on to the bottom rope. It's a bad safety feature. Let's go! Alright guys, this is what we got, and I think it's getting a little loose. So, we got 2 ratchet straps, and literally just this little tree is holding it. Oh, the wheel. So, see, I welded those bearings because that wasn't centered enough for what I needed, but it does work, surprisingly. There you go.
It's really not destroying my gloves either.
Surprisingly, that little bush holds it just fine.
Yeah.
Dog life. Alright, we've had 2 failures. One, that bolt came loose, and then my bearings are about shot. So, I guess we'll go back and fix it.